Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I'm about to take a trade on this candle. It's been a while I'm on the chart and I was not able to really spot a good setup. I finally found this supply area which has this gap up. Oh my god, it's 2 minutes. I should have checked this every time I want to take a trade. Alright, it's about to close. The trade meant to be on this one. I entered with margin of safety and it would be a winning trade, but I hope this one doesn't make us lose this trade. This is a supply area which is somewhere that the sellers are there, and this is minor downtrend, so I'm expect market to keep dropping until we touch some good demand area down here. Then market can reverse like this, okay? But for now it just will drop, and this is going to be my first trade. Three, two, one. Finally. All right. I'll keep looking for better opportunities. Okay, this is a similar trade. I don't see any reason to take this one. All right, we have a ranging market which has a couple of fake outs. It will come up again. So see, this was the first trade we took. Market's still downtrend. Okay, I'm taking this one. Only 6 seconds remaining of this candle. It's kind of risky, but I took it. It's a doji break combined with supply area. See, you remember the first trade. It looks like that, but it has extra confirmation of doji being broken and red-green pattern. Minor downtrend. Major uptrend, major trend is against us. So a little gap up right here would confirm the sure shotness of this, but we didn't have that. It's totally fine. All right, we have a potential common point of rejection trade somewhere here. It's already reacting from it. This is a supply area, so I'm fine taking with the sellers on this one. Let's check the market's direction. This is minor downtrend and major, we can say major ranging market, but I think I missed this one because look, if I connect all the rejections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth one would be takeable, which I didn't take, or should I say I missed. Yeah, I missed so many trades, but that's totally normal. You shouldn't be mad because of missing some trades. Alright, I kind of want to... Okay, let's take this with the sellers. I can probably add up on this common point of rejection. It looks good. If it gives me the entry, if it comes up to this line, it will be amazing because I can guarantee that it will give us this much of shadow if it comes up that much. You know, when you have a rejection market like this, if you look, 90% of the candles has, you know, shadows from ups and downs. So you can already tell that the candles don't going to be formed also can have that much of a shadow. It's not guaranteed like this one, but it can give us that shadow. It's always best for you know, wait and enter with margin of safety. Unlike this one, I entered immediately because of gap up. If there wasn't gap up, I would not enter immediately and I would wait for it to come up. Okay, And the whole market direction on this one for short term is, you know, the recent area it touched is this supply area. That's why, oh my god, look at this gap up in the favor of sellers. That would be amazing. That's why it's dropping now. But in general, it will play a little bit right here, and then eventually it will go up. You might ask why. If you look at this area, this is coming from a QM zone. This is a big QM zone. We never trade this huge QMs, but in general, they can decide the direction of the market. See, it's going to play right here. Nobody knows how long it will play, but eventually it will try to go up. All right, I will try to go to the next pair. Today's market, man, it doesn't look, I don't like today's market. It's kind of weird. There's no good opportunities. Unlike the previous session, which was pretty good. Oh, this one was very nice. Look at this market sequence of 2 consecutive green candles, and this is the 3rd time. It's very important to be 3rd time that the market sequence is happening, and then we have it in line with the supply area, and then we have a little gap up in the favor of sellers. It's kind of nice, which again we missed. Oh, look at this one. Series of fake outs, and then eventually it decided to go up, and it will go up. If I find the setup down here, I can take it. Okay, I'm looking for buying for this pair. I already missed the chance of entry on this one. I'm hoping it closes on this round number or something. I will have 2 entries if that happens. No, it just ejected. Okay, I have to wait for margin of safety. I cannot enter immediately now, even though we have gap down. Because if you look, we created lower low compared to previous candle. We didn't create a higher high. If it was a higher high and I was seeing this gap down and I was seeing this major market direction, I would take it immediately. But since we are at this rejection market, it's always best for margin of safety. I can enter this one below this round number. Otherwise, I'm not going to take this one. Okay. Yeah, it's already going up. It didn't give me enough space for my margin of safety. It just went up. Yeah, unlucky. Alright, I'm taking this one. Holy shit. This is a bad entry. Come on down. No. No, it didn't give me the proper entry. It didn't give me the proper entry. Alright, I go 2 more. Guys, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. That's the very first link in the description. I only have 1 Telegram channel. And there's a lot of Telegram channels people created, the scammers created. You have to avoid them and use the only link in the description because there's tons of scammers out there. I'm just gonna stop right here. We already took enough trades. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and peace out.